do that experiment Zener diode. So go to the this Chrome tab and type www.blab.co.in. So in that you have this window. So in that window, so we have the broad areas of virtual labs. That you click physical sciences. Then you get different types of labs, so offered by different universities and private universities. So for the GNR diode, especially, you go to the solid state physics virtual lab, so which is offered by Amrita Vidya Petam. So Vidya Petam. Okay, you click solid state physics virtual lab. So in that you can find different types of GNR diodes. So characteristics of GNR diode. GNR diode, okay, has voltage regulator. Okay, so from these all experiments, we can go through GNR diode acts as a voltage regulator. Okay, so first theory, first icon related theory. What is the purpose of the GNR diode? Here to construct a GNR diode, okay, acts as a voltage regulator and measure its line and load regulation. For that apparatus, we need for that experiment we need some apparatus, GNR diode resistor, variable DC power supply, milliammeter, voltmeter, rheostat, and wire. Okay, so here this is the theory. This is the graph. Okay, so here this is the block diagram or the circuit diagram. So how GNR diode acts as a voltage regulator. These are all formulas. So in that you see, so this diagram. So how GNR diode can go into the connect. So here click to view the simulator. Okay. So I will discuss later. Go to the procedure. Okay. Insert control button. Choose GNR diode. Series resistor slider. So all this is a GNR diode. How to make the connections in simulator. So A, B, C. Okay. This is the connection of the GNR diode. How you can, okay, connect the GNR diode. So all these I will see in simulator. Remember, this connection is very important. Okay, so if you confuse, okay, uh, please take one photograph and connect it like this. So now to avoid the confusion, now I am taking one photograph. So this diagram. So to connect these connections in the simulator. Okay, these are the connections. This is the table. Okay, sample table. You can go through. So self-evaluation. Some questions is, okay, asked by the, so this website. Okay, you can read this question and answer them. So assignments. So we gave some assignments. Okay, related to the GNR diode. Okay, you can do the assignment. These are the references books. These are the feedbacks. Right? Simulator. Go to the simulator. So in simulator, uh, first it asks the, okay, sign up. So actually I signed, that's why. Okay, it is not okay. Ask the sign. Okay, directly I entered into the simulator. Okay, my net is slow. That's why it is lagging. Right. I'll go through the down. Right. See this photograph and connect. Okay, like this manner. So where in simulator. Right. See, the negative end of the battery is directly connected to that. You press negative end, okay, and drag and when you drag and okay, you get one wire go to negative terminal automatically. Okay, it connects. This key positive. This is the battery. This is P. This is rheostat. Okay, so this is resistor. This is milliammeter. Okay, this device is Zener diode. Okay, this device is okay, resistor, voltmeter, first voltmeter, second voltmeter. Okay, why? Suppose you can okay log this circuit diagram. Okay, to log this diagram, you can click here. Right. See, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, here uh, this is the battery positive, negative indicated by okay start and large lines. So this is the battery. Okay, in that one, so this is the rheostat. So rheostat is the resistor, but variable resistor. That's why indicated with the arrow mark. Next, this is the key. So this is the battery. In the apparator wise, where is the battery? This is the battery. This is the key. Okay, plug key. In apparatus, this is the plug key. Next, this is the rheostat. Okay, which is indicated by RH. In apparatus, this apparatus is known as rheostat. Right. Already, so this rheostat you have seen the uh, pivot key apparatus, right? This is the okay resistor in apparatus. This is the resistor indicated by different colors. This is Zener diode. Okay, in apparatus wise, this is a Zener diode. Another resistor RL. This is another resistor. Okay, this is voltmeter. First voltmeter. This is the first voltmeter in apparatus wise. This is the second voltmeter in apparatus wise. This is the second apparatus. Okay, connections. The negative of battery okay is directly okay connected to this one. Okay. The positive is directly connected to okay here positive is directly connected to okay resistor is but okay it is in diagram it is just reverse manner. Okay, no problem, right? The positive is connected to in the picture key. The key is connected to okay under terminal of the rheostat, right? This rheostat is connected to negative terminal of this voltmeter. So here, this rheostat is connected to voltmeter, right? Another end is okay directly connected to Zener diode C. This end is directly connected to Zener diode. Okay, this end is connected to Zener diode. Next, this end is connected to positive terminal of this voltmeter, and this end is connected to this one. This end is connected to milliammeter. The negative of milliammeter is directly connected to Zener diode. Zener diode end is connected to one. One end is connected to Zener diode. This Zener diode is connected to battery. So this is connected to. So connection is power. You can insert the key. Okay. Right. Go to the small one. Choose Zener diode. Okay. So here different types of Zener diode is there. Okay, here the Zener diode is different. Silicon, germanium, so another Zener diode. Okay, you can fix that is VZ X7V5. That is Zener voltage is 7.5 voltage Zener diode. Whatever may be, no problem. Okay, you can series resistance in ohms. You can fix series maximum 300 to 5,000. Go through 1,000. Rheostat value. It is the rheostat value. You can so arrange the rheostat value 0 to 250. You can arrange here the 250 load resistance. You can vary. Okay. So in table, we have two tables in below, right? Trial number one. Here, so you can vary. You note down all these readings: Vs, Is, Il, Iz. So V in. So here the series resistance is 1000. Okay, the resistance value in ohm is 250, right? Load resistance value is 6800. Okay, load resistance value. This is the load resistance value. Okay, V naught. Okay, in volts, V naught, V in. You can find. So at this. Okay, so you note down these values, right? You directly go through the graph. So after you substitute all these values, you can have the graph. Here is the graph. Here is the graph is available. Okay, so you can draw the graph, right? Finally, you get the graph. So like this. So in the procedure, the graph is also available here. in theory. So this is the graph. So voltage taking along x-axis. Okay, forward current is taking along y-axis. The reverse current is taking along negative y-axis. Okay, so then in forward bias, okay, you get graph like this. In reverse bias, you get the graph like this. Suppose the line is okay interpolated, so which is cuts at the negative x-axis. This Vz is known as voltage regulator. So you do like this. Okay, otherwise you cannot understand. Go through this theory, okay, and read once again. So how to do this experiment and go through the procedure for the connections and take the reading values. To try it, okay, whether it is uh, get or not, okay, no problem. Okay, just I will give this assignment, this experiment, okay, for the assignment. Go to this website and done the next experiment. Don't worry. So already we have Sandeep.
Sir,
Sandeep,
sir,
ఏదైనా చూసావా వచ్చినాయి వాల్యూస్ అన్నా నీకు
values, sir. Okay, sir.
వస్తే ఒకసారి ప్రజెంట్ చేయి లేకపోతే నేను జస్ట్ you can also go to the different labs. So no problem. Sandeep,
సార్ అది వాల్యూస్ స్క్రీన్ మీద కనపడుతున్నాయి కదా సార్ మీరు వాల్యూస్
అవును
మార్చినప్పుడు
కనిపిస్తున్నాను.
అంతే కదా సార్
టేబుల్స్ లైన్ ఫిల్అప్ చేసావా?
అసలు ఆ టేబుల్ చూపించలేదు సార్ అది
సరే ఓకే రైట్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద వాల్యూస్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, then you see here when you set all these values you can get four values. See, first value voltage across series resistance, current across series resistance, current through load resistance, current through Zener diode. Okay, so Vs Is is different values drawn in okay, first coordinate. IL, sorry, Vs okay is drawn along x-axis, and this current through Zener diode is drawn along y-axis. Vs Iz, right? Again, in reverse condition, okay, again you can draw voltage across series resistance Vs and current through Zener diode drawn in third coordinate. If you take the values in forward bias and reverse bias, you get two graphs at first coordinate and third coordinate. Then you can draw a straight line which cuts on negative x-axis. That is nothing but the okay, Zener diode voltage. You can try it. Okay. So I will explain in the next class. Right? So in virtual labs, the solid state physics, characteristics of Zener diode. Draw the current voltage characteristics of Zener diode function. So this is also same procedure, same estimate, but simulator and the tabular forms are different. Grants. Suppose if you do these experiments, you get 10 marks. This is the next assignment. Assignment, I think 15.